I'm headed to Northwest Nomads. It's a nomadic gathering happening in Fort Rock, which is in Central Oregon, about an hour from Bend. I'm about to head to the pre-party, but before I do, I'm gonna get in some surfing because the sun's shining, it's a beautiful day, and I gotta make the most of it. Oh, so here's what I'm bringing for the potluck. You know that like shredded Mexican chicken that you put in your crock pot for tacos? It's like chicken breast, salsa, taco seasoning. That's what I'm gonna bring. Bathing suit, wetsuit, let's go. I got this new bathing suit. I made a learning to surf video at the beginning of summer. Then I went to the coast and I did not surf there. I don't have a long surfboard and sharks. I should learn to ocean surf as well. I learned I took some lessons in Bali in my early 20s, but I still really can't. I still need to give it a go. When I came back from the coast, I picked up where I left off. It's like riding a bike, so that's really exciting. Very important. I gotta take off earrings. My dad gave these to my mom. They're real gold and everything else breaks out my ears. So, okay, let's go. I just did the best surf of my whole season today. I just threw on some normal clothes, but I mean, I was going back and forth like many times. I was like, I stayed on 15, 20 seconds. It felt like, but I was so impressed with myself. Yay! For the last half an hour, I've been following a bunch of nomads. You know, painted school buses. You're like, oh, those are my people. Right on. Let me show you. I'm gonna listen to Miley Cyrus and I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Just a bunch of forest roads. A few of these nomads I met at Northwest Nomads last year. Also, I met them at another event I went to called Band-Aid. But it's really cool that since a year ago when I started meeting these people, now I'm re-meeting them.
Oh, my bad. Oh, that's messed up. I never went so fucked up. Here you go.
Yeah,
here's disappointments.
It get legit cold.
See, this place is just past Klamath here, and
I've seen them since they were just real yellow and went behind the ear. Gosh, yeah, the chicks up in Band-Aid.
This is Dakota. She's been a nomad since her early 20s, travels with 3 chickens and a dog, and creates teas and lotions.
Is that mealyworms? What is it?
yeah.
Oh, I don't want it.
Went in the woods, just set up a little farm.
I miss getting fresh eggs.
You are the layers. Yes, I would love to.
Oh man, when I
Van Marie is cutting my hair. I was so excited to see someone offering haircuts because when I don't know how long I'm going to be in a place, usually I don't want to book a haircut appointment for a week and a half down the road. It's also cool just to support other nomads and keep them on the road. So she did a great job cutting my hair. I'll link her Instagram.
My lord!
Yeah.
Somebody get to this. This is beautiful.
You know what's awesome, guys? You guys are like, oh, they're putting for food is dead insects. That's a pretty chicken. I like that chicken. I have a question though. When you put food into dreads, do they just become dreads? No wonder yours are so clean.
It has a gorgeous coat. I'm seeing light right on the top there.
That's just the mushrooms I gave you earlier.
Oh shit. Oh my! I thought she does have 3 on her, right?
Yeah.
No. That's the mushrooms again.
That's again bad. Well, that's just your bad ice.
We'll do puff last.
You guys know that domesticated chickens taste better, right? These aren't domesticated, these are road chickens. These are like the bus kids of pet road life.
Nomad chicken.
But the cool thing is when your chicken jumps out of the window at 50.
Sex, do it right. Sex, through the night. Sex, do it right. Sex, through the night. I'm losing my mind, losing control.
And the heavens scowled, and the huskies howled, and the wind began to blow. It was icy cold, but the hot sweat rolled down my cheeks, and I don't know why. And the greasy smoke in an inky cloak went streaking down the sky.
To speed this up, we will just have some people on deck.
I camped with the pre-party crew. They were always doing something over there. Tea time. It was cool to be part of a little group this year because last year I came alone, and while it was still fun, having a camp is much better. I didn't get many clips from the event, so you know I was having a good time. I'm just gonna wrap up this vlog with a bit of advice for other folks on the road. Come to this event. If you want to make connections with other full-time nomads, there were a lot of folks camped in tents as well that live in houses. We call them normies, but the majority were full-time on the road, and there was a diverse age range. I highly recommend this event. I'm launching a membership page later this month, and I'd love your support. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.